India mourns the loss of a towering statesman as former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh passed away at the age of 92. Dr. Singh breathed his last on Thursday evening, December 26 at Delhi AIIMS. Dr. Manmohan Singh, who served as India's Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014, was renowned for his economic expertise and unassailable integrity. He is celebrated for his pivotal role in liberalizing India's economy during his tenure as Finance Minister from 1991 to 1996. Dr. Singh retired from the Rajya Sabha in 2022, making the conclusion of a remarkable 33-year journey in the upper house. Dr. Singh first entered the Rajya Sabha in 1991, shortly after being appointed Finance Minister under Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. Representing Assam for 5 terms, he transitioned to representing Rajasthan in 2019. As India's 14th Prime Minister, Dr. Singh was admired as a visionary thinker, a distinguished scholar, and an approachable leader. Born on September 26, 1932 in Punjab, he displayed exceptional academic brilliance from a young age. After matriculating from Punjab University in 1948, he earned a first-class honours degree in economics from the University of Cambridge in 1957, followed by a doctorate in economics from Oxford University in 1962. Dr. Singh's seminal book, India's Export Trends and Prospects for Self-Sustained Growth, offered a critique of India's inward-looking trade policies and highlighted his sharp economic insights. His academic journey included teaching roles at Punjab University and the Delhi School of Economics, alongside international assignments with organizations like UNCTAD and the South Commission in Geneva. Dr. Singh joined the Government of India in 1971 as Economic Advisor in the Ministry of Commerce. Over the years, he held several critical positions, including Chief Economic Advisor, Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission, Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, and Chairman of the University Grants Commission. As Finance Minister, Dr. Singh spearheaded India's historic economic liberalization between 1991 and 1996, ushering in an era of transformative reforms. His leadership on global platforms and at international conferences cemented India's position in the evolving global economic order. Dr. Manmohan Singh will be remembered as a man of profound intellect, unwavering dedication, and unparalleled contributions to the nation's progress.